Federation continues a special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles have hit 2 command and control posts of Ukrainian battalions, 1 communication center, as well as 34 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Operational, tactical and army aviation have hit 3 strong points and 67 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 320 nationalists and 47 units of weapons and military equipment. Russian air defense means have shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Severodonetsk, Novochervone, Vasilievka of the Lugansk People's Republic, Panteleimonovka, Grigorovka, Krasnovka, Nevelskaya of the Donetsk People's Republic, Petropolia, Petrovskaya, Glinskaya of Kharkov region, Chernobyevka and Alexandrovka of Kherson region. In addition, 9 Ukrainian Smerch multiple launch rockets have been intercepted near Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kamenka, Rashkovka, Glinskaya in Kharkov region and Chernobyevka in Kherson region. Missile troops and artillery have hit 62 command posts, including those of Operational Command South near Novy Buk, Nikolaev region, as well as 593 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 55 artillery and mortar batteries at firing positions, 4 BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket launchers, 46 Ukrainian weapons and military equipment, as well as 1 ammunition depot near Novomikhailivka, Donetsk People's Republic, have been destroyed. In addition, more than 15 Ukrainian tanks and infantry fighting vehicles and 5 large-caliber artillery mounts have been destroyed. Nation of more than 320 nationalists and 47 units of weapons and military equipment. Russian air defense means have shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Severodonetsk, Novochervone, Vasilievka of the Lugansk People's Republic, Panteleimonovka, Grigorovka, Krasnovka, Nevelskaya of the Donetsk People's Republic, Petropolia, Petrovskaya, Glinskaya of Kharkov region, Chernobyevka and Alexandrovka of Kherson region. In addition, 9 Ukrainian Smerch multiple launch rockets have been intercepted near Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kamenka, Rashkovka, Glinskaya in Kharkov region and Chernobyevka in Kherson region. Missile troops and artillery have hit 62 command posts, including those of Operational Command South near Novy Buk, Nikolaev region, as well as 593 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, and 55 artillery and mortar batteries at firing positions. 4 BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket launchers, 46 Ukrainian weapons and military equipment, as well as 1 ammunition depot near Novomikhailivka, Donetsk People's